For a first-time home buyer, the home financing process can seem complex and somewhat confusing. But once you understand the steps involved, guided by your loan officer, your first mortgage experience is more likely to be a smooth one. Here's a snapshot of how the process works. As the home buyer, you obtain pre-qualification from a lender. Then, you choose a home to purchase with the assistance of a real estate professional. When the purchase contract is accepted, the home is placed in escrow, and the loan application is then submitted to the lender. The lender then orders a title search and a property appraisal. Your loan materials are reviewed, processed, and finally submitted for underwriting and approval. Once the loan materials are approved by underwriting, the closing agent explains all the documents and ensures both you and your attorney have a chance to review them. The closing agent makes sure everything is ready for signing and recording and collects funds for various fees and expenses for proper disbursement. Your loan documents are then signed and the loan is funded and recorded. Congratulations! You get the keys to your new home. Need help purchasing your first home? Call us today.